Hi, this is your mentor Mohit. Welcome to eCommerce Skills. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create your eBay seller account in 2026 on your personal details, because I'm getting so many messages that my account was suspended. I have just created my account and it got suspended and got MC999 violation, MC011 violation, and I don't know what happened because I didn't sell anything. I didn't do anything. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create your eBay seller account properly through proper channels, step-by-step guide. So don't skip the video and watch till end, and you can you can create your eBay seller account on your personal details like a professional according to the eBay policies and precaution measures we take when we create eBay seller account. So in this video we will start the video. First, if you are new on the channel, just go to follow button or subscribe button and hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, just tell me in the comments, and and if you have any kind of query, you can contact me on this number and as well as in the comments. So let's begin the video. So this is your eBay account. Like, firstly you have to search eBay on your Google account and you got this page. Okay, if you type eBay and you got this link, then just click on this link and you can get the eBay buyer account page. Okay, so there are some things you will create your before creating your eBay seller account you need to know about. Like, if you create your eBay seller account, so it doesn't mean you are creating an separate account which is known as seller account. Either there is a single account which is buyer account, eBay buyer account. So you have to create your eBay buyer account, then you have to shift that account into a seller account. Okay, I know there is some confusion. I'm going to tell you how. Firstly, I have just logged into the eBay account. Okay, this is my eBay account. When I go to sign in or register, I just sign in up on my Gmail. Okay, according to my Gmail. Then if I have created my seller account, then there are some precautionary measures by the eBay, because eBay seller and buyer account is a single account. Okay, not like Amazon accounts, because Amazon has buyer account is different, seller account is different, Prime account is different. So there is a differentiate between eBay and Amazon, because Amazon have multiple accounts for the sellers and for the buyers, but eBay has a single account for the buyer or seller. If you want to sell on eBay, then there will be an option to sell on eBay on your buyer account, like you can see there. Okay, on my cursor there is a sell option. If I want to sell on eBay, then I have to turn my buyer account into seller account. So firstly I have to sign in as a buyer account. When I got sign up in eBay buyer account, then what precaution measures I have to take for the account presence, or if I don't want to get suspended and I don't want to be suspension on my eBay account, then there were some precaution measures I'm going to tell you. Firstly, when you create your eBay account, then it doesn't mean you are allowed to sell on eBay at that time. Okay, firstly there is a policy by eBay that you have to mature your eBay buyer account, then you have to shift your eBay seller account eBay buyer account into seller account, then it will be safe and it will be matured. So firstly, when you create your eBay seller account buyer account, then what you have to do nothing. Okay, in the first 2 or 3 weeks you don't have to do anything. After 2 to 3 weeks you have to just buy something which will not deliver to your physical address but will be delivered to you on your email address, like gift cards. Like, I'm searching gift cards. If I buy gift cards from eBay as a buyer, then it will be sent to me as on my email, so I will use it. Okay, so I have to buy this kind of stuff which is not I can say which is not will be not delivered to me on my physical address, but yeah, will be delivered on my email address. Okay, so I have to purchase, like in a week I have to purchase 1 or more 2 items, 2 or more 3 items in a week. And after 3 to 4 weeks after creating my buyer account on eBay, after almost 1 month and 1.5 months, I will be eligible, or you can say able to create your seller account or shift your buyer account into seller account, and my account will not be suspended, and it's a guaranteed, because many people asking me for the suspension issue. and I thoroughly review all the comments, and I go through all the comments, and I faced a thing which is in which a buyer can shift his account. A buyer shift his account after the account creation of his buyer account. So this is not the correct process. If you create your seller account and if you create a seller account on like this, and you got the suspension by the eBay, which is MC011 or MC999. So firstly, you have to create your eBay buyer account, and after 2 to 3 weeks or 1 month, you have to order some gift cards like this kind of stuff, which will not be delivered to you on your physical address. So and run your account as a buyer account. Okay, after 1 or more 2 months or 1.5 months, you can shift your buyer account into a seller account, because it got matured in last 3 to 5 weeks or 3 to 6 weeks when you create your buyer account. When you create your buyer account, and after 3 to 6 weeks, or we can say after 2 months approximately, you will allow to sell on eBay on your buyer account. It means you have authority to shift your eBay buyer account into a seller account. When I passed my 2 months, and after that I want to sell on eBay, then I just have to click. I have to come on my eBay account, on my buyer account, and there you can see a sell option. If I click on this option, and I got the page in which eBay asking me for the details like my business details, and you have personal details like your identity has a US address, identity has UK address, you are in Australia, in which country you live. It doesn't matter. You have to enter your details and create your seller account, and on this method your account not going to be deactivated or suspended by the eBay, because it's a proper method, and your account got matured in the past 2 months when you create your buyer account. Okay, so this is the complete procedure. If you create your eBay seller account on the precaution measures and by the policies of eBay, in which we comply perfectly, then we will not got any kind of violation or suspension by the eBay. First step is we have to register as a buyer on eBay. Then we have to leave that account for 1 or 2 months, and in the leave period, when we leave the account, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that you will not open that account. It means you will open that account, just surf and just view the pages, view the products, and after visiting the products and view the pages, you have to order 1 or 2 products in a week on your email address. Okay, not on physical address, because it doesn't matter. Okay, if you want that product on your physical address, then it's good to go. You can order the product on your physical address, but I prefer to order it on email. Okay, not on physical address. And after 2 months, you have to convert your buyer account into a seller account, and your account will not got deactivation, and your account not will be deactivated or suspended by the eBay policies, because your account got matured. And when you click on sell, and your account got your account got converted into a seller account, then it will be a buyer and seller account in a one place, which is known as a single eBay seller account. Okay, so when you convert your seller account, then you have to do any kind of listing, any kind of work on eBay, but I prefer you do a stock model on eBay. If you want to learn how you can start eBay business, then you can contact me on this number. And if this video will help you, then please like and comment and share with your friends, and do subscribe my channel.